Amit Shah went to Alwar. Somewhere in his mind, he must have realized that the fake news factory is going on. He said, listen to me carefully. These are his words. आप मुझे ध्यान से सुनिए. Be it reservation for Dalit, tribal or backward classes, BJP supports it. We will neither end the reservation nor allow it to anyone to do so. The Prime Minister of India is the biggest supporter of reservation. These are the words of Amit Shah. No. Are these his words? Abbas, point pe bolo. Are these his words? No, are these his words? Then how can Rahul Gandhi and Samajwadi say he wants to end it?
I'm telling
अभी लोगों को डरा के गुमराह करके क्या मिलता है आपको? आपने शाहीन बाग में किया ना कि मुसलमानों की नागरिकता चली जाएगी, गई क्या?
I have a long list of fake information, distorted
No, talk about this. So you are admitting that it is fake news that the BJP... No, so you are admitting or not?
Including the head of the IT cell of Bharatiya Janata Party.
No, you are admitting that this is fake news? You are admitting that election of 2024, you are putting out fake news that quotas will end. Do you agree? Disagree? Do you admit or not admit?
Anybody.
Do you admit or not admit? All I'm asking you is, do you admit or not admit?
Strict action should be taken against that person, but that is a matter of investigation. But what here I see is karma, because this is same Mr. Amit Shah.
अच्छा अभी कर्मा वाला आर्गुमेंट आ गया.
Please, a fact for the Samajwadi
One minute,
Party.
Gaurav, let him finish.
Whether it is real or fake. Now I would like to question the intent of Bharatiya Janata Party on reservation. What action has the Bharatiya Janata Party taken against Jyoti Mirda, who is a BJP candidate? What action has the Bharatiya Janata Party taken against Lallu Singh, who is a member of Parliament of Bharatiya Janata Party from Ayodhya? What action they have taken against Arun Govil, who is a member of Parliament from who was contesting Lok Sabha election from Meerut? Who have said that we want to change the constitution. The constitution should be changed. What action has the BJP, Amit Shah, Prime Minister, has taken against them? Now,
Can I respond, please?
No, there is a statement.
But
from
do
the
you
former
agree?
Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh,
Okay, let Gaurav
Jairam
respond.
Thakur. He has said that time has
Arnab,
come
let
to
me
put
respond,
an end
please.
to caste-based
Let me respond.
reservation. What has Manmohan Vaidya said? Manmohan
Nobody
Vaidya
will
said
believe
that
it. Viewers,
reservation
I'm
should
telling you.
go.
I think you got enough time. If you can't make your point
Abbas,
effectively in a short while, it's your problem, not ours.
it was
Please.
fake
I am
news.
Arnab,
saying
let me
as
respond now.
proven
It
by
was
the
fake news
action,
and it has been caught.
69,000 jobs in Uttar
It
Pradesh,
was fake
OBC
news and it has been
OBC
caught. It has
jobs
been
were
caught.
taken.
But Abbas,
the
fake news has been caught.
given
There's
by
no
People
the
have
OBC
no
Commission of
facts and they
Justice.
come here and rant. Now let me
More
respond.
than 3,000
Arnab, the
posts
point that
for
Rajya
OBC
was
SC.
making, I'm just
CST
adding
in
a fact to
the
it.
central universities are vacant.
The Samajwadi Party
Posts reserved for
handles,
OBCs in the
media cell
union
handle.
government.
No, now you've been caught. Abbas,
Manish Jagan
Abbas, now you're
Agarwal
reading
was
from a piece
arrested
of paper.
in
Please
January
don't read. It's a very
2020.
sharp debate. Viewers, it was fake news and Republic. Remember, viewers, Republic has confronted these people. Fake news मत करिए. जो 5-6 वोट मिलने वाले वो भी नहीं आएंगे.
अरे सर, if it is fake
मैं
news,
अपनी
take
बात
the
पूरी कर
strictest
दूं,
possible action against people who have manufactured.
हाँ तो
fake videos.
strictest possible action आप लीजिए ना अपने पार्टी जनरल सेक्रेटरी के
Who
खिलाफ.
are you to tell us that?
Fake news.
लालजी वर्मा के खिलाफ strictest possible action लीजिए. फेक न्यूज स्प्रेड कर रहे थे.
According to the survey, there are 18,000 Twitter handles which are spreading fake news for the Bharatiya Janata Party.
चलिए, Gaurav is responding. Siddharth is on the debate. The debate is entering the last few minutes tonight. Gaurav, then Siddharth. We move fast.
Arnab, a few quick points. First, the Samajwadi Party media cell handle and its chief Manish Jagan Agarwal was arrested in January 2023 for derogatory comments made on women, and Akhilesh Yadav supported him. He went to the police station. He did not reprimand him, first of all.
It is
Second,
not the official
it is
handle of
important to
Samajwadi
know what
Party.
Amit Shah ji was saying was
Not the official
constitutional.
handle of the
There
Samajwadi
cannot be
Party.
reservation on religious lines, but Congress has been indulging in appeasement politics and they have been giving reservation on religious lines. Amit Shah ji made it very clear that
is
will
wrong.
be abolished,
And the biggest
which is the
news
right
was
thing.
Amit
1 versus
Shah
3.
And Samajwadi Party
Because
spokesperson
Telangana
said,
government has
just
not
because
given
somebody is talking about changing the constitution, there should be an FIR. I want to tell him, Constitution has
But
been
it is
amended
from certain-
by Narendra
certain-
Modi ji for
certain
what? Article 370
socially
strengthens the
backward
nation.
people
Economically
from the
weaker
Muslim
section will
community
get
that he
10% reservation. Therefore, empowering the poor. Then women
That is
reservation,
even a fake news.
empowering
That
the
is even a
women.
fake news.
So please first read the Constitution and
Siddharth.
Article 368,
No,
which
one
talks
second, one
about
second.
the amendment
What-
of the
Siddharth,
Constitution.
Siddharth.
Amit Shah has
But you
said
people
is
are
that
indulging in
fake
fakery.
news.
And
just say this
Arnab,
was
if
fake.
Rahul gets to meet lies in person, lies will bend and touch the feet of Rahul
It is a
Gandhi
fake news.
कि मुझे
Siddharth,
मेरा गुरु
Siddharth,
मिल
Siddharth.
गया, मुझे
Siddharth.
मेरा फेकरी वाला गुरु मिल गया, जो
Siddharth.
झूठ से ज्यादा बड़ा है.
Siddharth,
Reservation
Siddharth,
to
Yes.
people
even
who
that
are
picture of Arvind
economically and
Kejriwal
socially
behind you
backward from the
is a
Muslim
morphed
community.
picture, no?
It's
He's
for
not
the
standing
entire
behind
Muslim
bars,
community.
no?
So that's a fake news
That
for
picture
Amit
also
Shah
is a
himself.
Photoshop picture, no? It's a Photoshop picture, no?
Then I've just.
Is it a Photoshop picture or not?
Seem to have had
The
a
picture
haircut
behind you is
this,
photoshopped
weekend.
or not?
Arnab, I think this weekend both you and me have seemed to have had a haircut, so that's
Yeah,
also
you
some kind
observe
of
a lot,
fakery,
man.
na?
But anyway, my point is...
That's
my
symbolic.
point-
That's
my
symbolic.
point-
We know-
no, this
we
is
know
not
about
fake,
it.
yeah.
The
This is
point-
completely
Yeah,
normal.
the point,
yeah, this
Is
the
he
point
eating
here
or
is
you
that
are?
reservation is
know,
going
you
to
are
get
suave,
abolished
he's
by
suave.
BJP.
How?
had a
Prove
haircut.
that!
BJP's
No,
own
prove it!
education.
No, prove it!
BJP's own
Prove it
education.
now! Prove it now!
As per own BJP's own.
No, wait, no, 1 minute.
He's on record saying that BJP reservation has to be abolished. Now, add to it.
BJP
the fact
reservation
that
has to be
BJP is
abolished.
saying that he's
Name
not
one
just
BJP
about
senior
yes,
official who has
Narendra
made that
Modi.
statement.
Narendra
Siddharth.
Modi ji has said that even Dr. Ambedkar can't remove reservation.
in this country.
It is
It's
be
BJP's
part of basic
condition.
structure.
It's nobody else is
That is
saying.
what Narendra
BJP
Modi ji has
at the
said.
moment,
You people
where
come
between
ill
these
prepared
two
on
statements
debates
from Mr.
and then you
Mohan
spread
Bhagwan,
lies and
Mr.
falsehoods.
Salvia,
Have
and
you
Mr.
heard
Manmohan
Narendra
Ladies
Modi
and
ji
gentlemen.
say
All the three
that
statements
even
are
Dr.
right.
Ambedkar can't get rid of reservation
Siddharth,
now?
Siddharth, now,
And
Siddharth.
BJP saying that they want to have
You have
400
it.
plus to change the
Our national
constitution.
president
What
That
is
is
the
very
date?
clear.
What is the
That
date
is
of
a very
that?
clear giveaway that
Rajnath Singh
BJP
ji has
stands
said.
for
But you
abolition
have to
of
spread your
reservation in
fake
this country.
news
It's as clear
and
as
propaganda.
day. Nobody else is saying that.
Narendra
BJP
Modi
is
ji's
saying itself.
statement I'm telling
BJP
you.
by itself is saying this is a
Arey
Mia
babu,
Kalpa moment for
bachche,
BJP.
Narendra
This is a
Modi ji has
Mia
said
Kalpa
this,
moment for BJP.
Dr. Ambedkar
the moment
also can't
RSS
remove
ideologues
reservation
say
because it is
that
an
we are
integral
against
part of
reservation
Indian polity
and BJP says
and
that
the
is bar 400
constitution of
Okay, ladies and
चाहिए.
gentlemen,
That
ladies
means
and
that you
gentlemen,
want to
ladies and
change
gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I humbly request you. I humbly request you, viewers.
अरविंद केजरीवाल
Viewers,
अच्छा लिखा है, अरविंद
viewers.
केजरीवाल चोर है.
Vote in national interest one. Vote against parties who have spread this fake news. Identify those parties. Identify those parties. And Siddharth, can you hear me?
दिल्ली लिकर पॉलिसी का 60 करोड़ रुपया शरद रेड्डी से आप लेते हैं और उसी के कहने पर चीफ मिनिस्टर को जेल में जबरदस्ती डाल देते
ये
हैं.
नीचे लिखा हुआ था उसमें
अरे
कट्टर
धंधा
बेईमान
चोर
है
तो
अरविंद
भाजपा है.
केजरीवाल कैसे
धंधा भी चोरी
प्रवक्ता
किया.
है ऐसी
8,500
न्यूज मत दिखाया
रुपया
करो सबको
कंपनियों
पता
का
चल
लिया.
गया है
ये आपको और एक बात बताता हूं मैं. और एक बात बताता हूं आपको मैं. मेरी बात सुनिए. 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 बात सुनिए. ये बताइए कि you know is it okay viewers, I'll tell you one thing. Please do a little bit of research and you will find out that there is a YouTube factory of the India Alliance. This YouTube factory is operating out of certain parts of Europe. This YouTube factory is not even based in India. These YouTubers, 50% of them are living in Switzerland and Germany. They get money there, they do the videos and they put it out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the reality. YouTubers can't win you the election.